I am. Am I? I'm. I'm not. I'm sick. I'm not sick. Am I sick? He is. Is he? He's. He's not. He's okay. He's not okay. Is he okay? She is. Is she? She's. She's not. She's ready. She's not ready. Is she ready? It is. Is it? It's. It's not. It's your dog. It's not your dog. Is it your dog? You are. Are you? You're. You're not. You're my teacher. You're not my teacher. Are you my teacher? We are. Are we? We're. We're not. We're in Brazil. We're not in Brazil. Are we in Brazil? They are. Are they? They're. They're not. They're friends. They're not friends. Are they friends?